Madam, you have been declared as a candidate of Colombo constituency for Aam Aadmi Party. So, what do you want to say on it?
Yeah, I just wanted to tell I am not a politician by this. I am a daughter of this constituency. So I want to work for the people. Like not others, like they only give the promises, but the progress is nothing to be seen. So I came over here to do the work for the people, with them and for them.
How is your campaigning going on?
The campaigning is going very good. The people are saying that we need a change, and people said that we will vote for you to be a change because they have not given a chance for us. So this time they definitely will give the chance for us.
When you started campaigning?
We have started campaigning almost 3 months back.
If if by chance तुम्ही समज जिंकले तर what will be your main day of work?
If I win, I will work with the people and for the people. I'm not will give only the promises, and I won't sit in the offices like others. I will work with them and for them.
कितें वर्क करपाचो उरला कलंगूटान?
कलंगूटान जशे गार्बेजाचे प्रॉब्लेम हा, उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा, सो खूबशे कितें काम हा जे अजूनही तेंच्यांनी करूंक ना. इवन जे रोड असलेले पळय ते आता हालींच तेंच्यांनी बेश्टो डांबर इल्लोसो घालून काम केलेले आसा, पूण तेवूय सारखे करपाक जाय. आणि एड्युकेशनाचे उदतीन स्कुला खातीर, गव्हर्नमेंट प्रायमरी स्कुला खातीर खूब बरेशे काम बी करपाक जाय.
आणि कितें तुजे कडेन मेन कितें आयडिया कलंगूट हेका लागून कितें करतले?
माझे मेन म्हटल्यार सध्या कालांगूट इज अ ट्युरिस्ट स्पॉट. सो कालांगुटान जे सगळे कडेन ट्युरिझम म्हणटा पळय ते सारखेच देंवलेले आसा. लोकांक कामां ना कांय ना. सो तेवूय मातशे बरें जावपाक जाय आनी लायक सगळ्यांक काम येवपाक जाय.
If you go to see in Kalangon, there are so many issues, from water to electricity to drainage system. What is going on? आमचं गव्हर्नमेंट कितें करता? ती चल्लेल्या फाटी येवपाची गरज ना, इतल्या टायमान करता, यार कोण सांगना, सारकें मरे. आतां तुमकां एक कॅन्डिडेट दितला फुडल्यान. They will give you the timing also and the dates also properly. Still if you don't trust him, sir, sorry, जाल्यार कितें म्हणू हांव तुमकां? जो गव्हर्नमेंट तुमकां इतलो फोटो येता कितें ना कोत्ता म्हणून कांय कामां करनासतना रावता तेकाच वोट करतले काय समथींग चेंज करतले? आय थिंक सो यू ऑल नीड टू चेंज ऑल्सो. थँक यू.